Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1964 CJ5 dually. This truck is brand new, complete body off restoration. And all the goodies, no expense spared. Finished in green, vinyl buckets. It's got a winch up front. There's the remote. Alpine stereo with Bluetooth and all the goodies. Got a brand new best top back here. Doors, windows, soft doors, everything all brand new. Nice big dualies on the back. These are American Racing Steelies. Runs and drives like brand new. You can still see the stubbies on these wheels. Cool. Dual tanks. It's a brand new Jeep. Showing 72,769 miles. I have to ascertain that that's the original miles. There can't be more than a few hundred on this truck. It's got the Hurricane motor under the hood. These Jeeps won the war. Clicks into there. Wipers work. New. It's got heat. High intensity headlights. Little Hurricane 4. Man, this Jeep won the war, that's for sure. Little downdraft carburetor. Carter. Can't be many dualies around, that's for sure. Warren hubs up front. Dual-Matic. Definitely pretty amazing. It's literally like brand new. Even a little lock on the cam. Super neat. Dual-Matic locking hubs. Very neat. Speed. Wipers work. Man, I barely touched it. So cool. Amazing. Turn signals. Cool. That is just amazing. Cute little Jeep. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Hit me up, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.